Next is the video of the tutorial. Click here to register. Fill in the account password and other information, and fill in the invitation code. Click here to recharge. Select currency type. Fill in the recharge amount. Copy the deposit address. Go to the Binance page and click Recharge. Enter the purchase amount and click Buy. Pay the merchant according to the prompt. After the recharge is received, go back to the wallet page and click Withdraw. Choose how to withdraw. Choose a withdrawal network. Paste the address you just copied. Take a screenshot of the transfer details page. Copy the transaction ID. Paste the copied ID. Upload a screenshot of the transfer details. Return to the home page and select the corresponding level. Click here. Click here. Click Finish. Complete all order quantities. Click to withdraw. Add a payout address. Add your payment address. Enter the withdrawal amount and password to complete the withdrawal. Thanks for watching.